The problem is to create a triangle of integers sum. The user will input a single integer n and the program should generate a triangle of integers such that each row of the triangle represents the sum of integers from 1 to n, where n is a user-defined integer. For example, if the input is 3, the output would be 1 equals 1, 1 plus 2 equals 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6. If the input is 5, the output would be 1 equals 1, 1 plus 2 equals 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 10, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 equals 15. Here is the Java program of triangle sum. The input consists of a single integer n, representing the number of rows in the triangle. The output should display n rows, each row consisting of the integers from 1 to I, where I is the current iteration, separated by plus signs, followed by equals, and the sum of those integers.